Hi, my name is Jan. Welcome to Butterfly Tracks. I just left Travel Grandma's women's camping retreat. It was so much fun. I know a lot of you say you wished you'd been there, but as much fun as you think it could have been, it was that much and more. We all got so close. It's just like instant lifelong friends. And everybody seemed to fit in. It was a beautiful event. Yeah, there was a little weather here and there. Sure, a couple of people went to the emergency room, but not because of camping. I am on my way to a new campsite. Cimarron Canyon, New Mexico State Park in the Ponderosa Campground. Wait till you see it. Just look at this beautiful campsite. Just like its name, there are ponderosa pines all around. A view of this mountain on one side. A pretty small campground. And in back of our campsite, right on our campsite, is the Cimarron River. In a minute, I'm going to take you down closer to the Cimarron River so you can really hear that rushing river. That's the privacy tent, and I'm going to show you some magic about that privacy tent in just a moment. Every morning the sun came up over the mountain. This is a different kind of campground. Instead of pulling into your campsite, you just pull up next to it. It was kind of like circling the wagons, but most of the time that I was there for 10 days, hardly anyone else was there. It was a quiet campsite, except of course for the river. And that was a beautiful sound. So great for sleeping. Here comes the magic. There's that privacy tent. I struggled so much the first time I had to take that thing down. That big thing has to go in this little round carrying case. So, first you lay it flat on the ground like this. Then you fold it over into a smaller piece. Then you take the top, you fold it down to the bottom, and keep on going till it makes a circle, and then both sides fold over, and it just like pops into place. Magic! Now I'm just going to let you listen to the river, and I'll see you on the next campground. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for your wonderful comments. I really appreciate you guys, I really do. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Bye for now, see you soon.